Hi, my name is Tom. I live in Indianapolis, Indiana. As you can see, I'm outside my garden. I enjoy being outside, hiking, biking, walking, and working out. And it's a beautiful day in the Midwest. I've been taking supplements all my life and probiotics in the last 4 or 5 years. However, with probiotics, I found inconsistent results. So I did some research and I came across the Bio Collective. I was really impressed with what they do in terms of their science around the gut flora, the gut-brain connection. They're really deep in their science and their research. So I started taking their product about a year and a half ago. I take 2 a day. I've noticed a significant difference in the health of my gut, my performance, my energy level. Again, I think about the environment that we live in, the toxic food that we're exposed to, genetic makeup challenges that we've got, and even the water. And so in looking at something like Sugar Shift, I just felt confident that the performance of my body has been extremely important over time. And again, it's really critical that we have a product that is effective, has long-term benefits.